In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Tab key to expand tables. This simple shortcut can save you time and keep your workflow smooth when you're building or updating tables in your document. Instead of stopping to open menus or right-click for table options, you can add a new row instantly with a single keystroke. Here's the idea. When your cursor is inside the very last cell of a table, the bottom row, rightmost column, pressing Tab will create a new row directly beneath the table. Your cursor will then jump into the first cell of that new row so you can keep typing without breaking your stride. It's quick, consistent, and keeps your formatting intact. Let's walk through what that looks like as you work. First, make sure your cursor is actually in the last cell. You'll know you're in the right place if you can see the blinking text cursor inside that bottom right cell, not just a selection around the entire table. Once you're there, press the Tab key once. The table expands by one row, matching the style of the rows above it. Borders, fonts, shading, and alignment are all preserved automatically. If you press Tab somewhere other than the very last cell, don't worry. It'll simply move your cursor to the next cell in the row, which is normal behavior. Only when you're in that bottom right cell does the table grow. This is especially handy when you're entering data across the final row. Type your last entry, press Tab, and you're immediately set up to continue in a fresh row. A few helpful tips can make this even smoother. If you press Tab and it doesn't add a row, double check you're truly in the bottom right cell. Merged cells or unusual layouts can make the last cell less obvious, so glance at the table's structure. Also, if a literal tab character appears instead of a new row, it may be because the editor is treating the Tab key as text inside that cell. Click once to place the cursor clearly and try again. If your table sits at the bottom of a page, your document will push content to the next page as needed. You don't need to adjust anything manually. If you add a row by accident, just use undo to revert. And when you need multiple rows, stay in the new last cell and press Tab again as many times as you need. That's all there is to it. One reliable shortcut that keeps you focused on your content, not the controls.